Hi and welcome to myKPIdash. It's great to have you on board. myKPIdash takes your zero profit and loss numbers and brings them across into the app and shows you them as simple to understand graphs. It does this so that you can understand your business better, make better business decisions, and plan for your profit. If you have trusted advisors, accountant, business coach, business partner, then you can invite them into myKPIdash so that you can be on the same page. Jump into the dashboard and have a play. This is where you'll spend most of your time. There's a number of graphs, and as you look at them, you'll get to know what they are because they're pretty intuitive. So just spend the time to do that. If you click on a graph because you're not sure what it is, it'll give you a little help and a little help video. You can also email it to somebody. All our pages have a help at the top right, the circle with the question mark in it. And we've got some profit graphs for net profit, gross profit, just letting you know where you're at, and categories for revenue, direct costs, and total expenses. Now, one thing about the category graphs is that there's a bit of setup here for you. And this is really the only setup you have to do. Because the thing is, in Xero, you might have, for expense accounts, you might have 20, 30, 40. That's quite common. That does not make a very good graph in terms of understanding. So what we want is we want you to chunk that down into categories. And you get up to 8 categories for revenue, direct costs, and expenses. And it just makes your business much easier and more intuitive to understand. So this business here, as you can see, has set up categories, and then it's giving them, for each of those categories, it gives them a figure so they can manage those categories. That's in the category chooser. If you haven't already done that, please jump into it and set them up for each of your 3 account types. It's just a case of creating the category and then dragging and dropping the uncategorized accounts into it and then saving when you're finished. And then you can go back to the dash and you can see better graphs. So play with the dashboard, explore, have some fun, welcome again, and enjoy.